I'm headed to a close to the loop riverfront location in the South Loop, a short walk from dining, nightlife, and college campuses, for a tour of one of the apartments at a new, pet-friendly, high-amenity tower, the Reed Southbank. I'm at apartment 909, a sunny one-bedroom, looking south over the marina. The view is through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, turning into an open-plan living, dining, kitchen area. Brushed concrete ceilings at about 9 feet and blonde wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. We had a kitchen dining area. Turning for a look at a wide living area. Space for your furniture and your home office desk. Efficient one-wall kitchen has black quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a French door refrigerator freezer with an ice maker, Bosch dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, good cabinet and counter space, including a pantry cabinet. There's a brushed concrete backsplash, under cabinet lighting, all soft close cabinetry. Looking at the front entryway, you're looking at black designer hardware. There's a latch keyless entry system, Ecobee thermostats, space for a hall console table and a great wall to display your art. And away from the main living and sleeping areas, your front-loading in-unit washer dryer. Soon it is bright. Heading toward the bath, a wide vanity with drawers for storage, white quartz counter with an undermount sink, dark oversized tile on the floor and in the shower surround. It's a frameless glass door that slides to open in the shower. Toilet is soft close. Turning again into the south-facing sunny bedroom. Space for your queen-size bed and nightstand. And the closet has custom organizers. The Reed has an attractive, convenient location, extensive amenities, a variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes and all new. Definitely want to have the Reed at the top of your must-see list. Head to the Reed's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.